Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can set your home address on Google Maps. So let's get started. This will make it easier to get directions to and from your home, and it will also create a home button in Google Maps. First, open Google Maps and either find your location directly on the map or use the search bar to search for your address. For example, let's say we live at the Serena Hotel. Search for your building, house, or apartment and select the correct location. Once you've selected the location, scroll through the options underneath and look for More. Tap on More and then select Add Label. After that, you should see a suggested label called Home. Tap on Home to mark this location as your home. Once you've done that, exit back to the main Google Maps screen. As you can see, the home icon now appears, making it much easier to access your saved home location and get directions whenever you need them. And that's it. That's how you can set your home address on Google Maps. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.